say, yo, we gonna spin it. Everybody listen to me. It's Juneteenth. Yeah, and we all got free. Yeah, seeing things that most can't see. You won't see me, go on MTV. I'm a rhyme boss, yeah, brother, and I'm not star. I wipe them off and on like they got lip gloss. Hey, I keep it poppin' when I jam. Everybody out here, they gotta feel me fair. Hey, and I command it. Yo, they got that bar when it say the Golden State advantage. That's what we get. And when I flip, you never see nothing on the right just quite like this. I'm a scientist, and now watch me flip. I'ma take the $20, hold it as a tip. Alright, yeah, black, we gon' spark 'em. Don't reverse that shit, we gon' park 'em. Everybody listen right now what I did. Take that 20 back, cause you got little kids. Hey, and that's right, no wet on the beat. I couldn't take it, little babies, they gotta eat. Hey, that's right, yeah, look what I do. I'ma hold that for you, that's an overhead view. Hey, anytime that I flip through flow, when I feel like that, that's an action pose. Sound is on, yeah, watch me transform. Take that back, yo, here's that magic wand. I'll be gone, tell me what you love, my friend. Baby girl in the front, you my BFF. Yeah, and that's right, no, I feel no stress. Supernatural on the mic, yo, I flip that test. Do that rest, yo, when we leave that blessed. Over the top, that's right, yo, we bear the best. Every time that I can do it, yo, it's the apple apple. Yo, she got the tagine with the pineapple. Yeah, with some LA shit. You know when you eat that, you want some LA shit. Hey, I'm Mexican, yo, we get Mexican. Sold on every corner, yo, by the Mexicans. And that's the way that we can see it. When I start to speed, I know how to buy the beer. Hey, but I ain't the job is done. Yo, flip the script and we all be done. We got some, yeah, boy, I know done. Look at that, yo, he gave me his son. Yeah, do what's one, black, we gon' get it. If he got with it, we talking this like you did it. Hey, I tell you what, give me a coach. You scared the baby, even though it don't know. Hey, yeah, brother with the triple in it. Take him back, yo, he got a little wiggle in it. Hey, and that's the way that we living. When I can spit it, when I'm rocking on the rhythm and speed. I tell you what, don't get it clear. Maybe in the front row, you need these on your ear. Listen here, that was actual and no factual. Welcome to the world of the voice supernatural.
BZFilmz.com. Calculate, capture, create.
They on the track. It's time for me to go. We did all of that. Put me on the map, and I can bid it. They only gave me, yo, little 10 minutes to come here and speak to the people. But I flipped the script and broke it down, yo, with no sequel. I ain't up, I warn ya. Yo, we are a monster. 505 on the jacket, Coast Contra. Yo, the youngins, I can see you coming. I see you on tweet in the morning, y'all was stomach. So many metaphors that flew from the sky. Flew off the top, didn't have to try. Do you understand what those dudes did? Y'all don't know. Yo, niggas rap ass kids. Hey, I tell you what, yo, they is a boss. When they going off, you can tell they come from the cloth. Me, Super MC, yo, do my thing. I'ma stop the track there. Who the freestyle king? That's my time, man. My name is MC Supernatural. You can follow me on Instagram at MC Supernatural. Freestyle Don. Thank y'all for rocking with me. When they give you a little time, you take your little time and turn it into a good time. One love.